Good evening, Goa. This is Michael Ferns, and today I would just like to bring up a very important awareness to the public about the conditions of our municipal markets, which are basically selling items like fish, vegetables, meats, chicken, and all these kind of stuff, which are consumable items which reach our families and our homes. Our markets are totally in a very bad condition where the hygiene is concerned, as we have noticed that that our government is giving no importance to hygiene, cleanliness in the surrounding areas of these vendors. As these vendors themselves, are so immune, to the mess and the dirt, and basically having absolutely no hygiene and no care about these consumables which are being sold, to the citizens, which could be contaminated, which could be not proper for to be consumed. I mean, this is something that is very serious. So, I mean, I do not blame, I'm not blaming the government, or nor am I blaming the vendors, okay? It is because it has become such a habit now. It's basically a bad habit, which is grown in the, for decades and decades together, generations together, where people don't really care about, what they are selling, where they are selling, in the conditions that they are selling it, Over here, the government, even though they provide people to clean up these markets and they provide, but are they doing their jobs with the heart that they're supposed to do it with? These people are being paid such handsome amounts of money, of taxpayers' money, as salaries, but yet they are not doing their jobs in a proper manner. Sanitation of the fish market. You look at the the garbage around the vegetable markets and the other shops which are there selling chicken and beef and mutton and all these kind of things. You look at the mess over there, and it's terrible. It's really terrible and shameful to see, that people are not giving any, they do not even care, or don't even question this this problem, which is so open to the eyes of the public. I would like to suggest one thing to our government and the Honorable Chief Minister, and the Health Minister, and the Sanitation Minister, whichever minister we are talking about, that I feel it is very important, that we educate our vendors on keeping the surroundings clean and how to maintain hygiene in their areas of doing their business. See, they have to understand one thing, that a place of work is like a temple, it's like a church, that is where you are earning your bread and butter and supporting your family. If we do not know how to keep our own church and our own temples clean, and we are not given the respect that it is due, it is a shameful thing. It's totally a shameful thing. They are supposed to make sure that it is hygienically clean, and whatever you are selling is safe for the citizens, for the consumers. So I think it is very important that these people undergo a training, because I think they are totally ignorant about cleanliness and hygiene, when it comes to to their surrounding areas of work. Leave alone talking about our roads and our garbage issues and all, which we keep continuously having, our drainage systems and all that, continuously. Now with the monsoons approaching, almost in, we are going to be having huge problems, not only of drainage problems for clogging and stuff like that, but also for items being getting rotten and decayed, which is bad for the environment, which is bad for the neighborhood, which is bad for our citizens, you see. So we need to make sure that we educate these vendors. We have to have an educational program set up every month, or at least every 15 days once, you know, in each and every municipal markets, okay, where these consumables are being sold, okay, they have to undergo a training program as to how to keep their area clean. Because at the end of the day, okay, we are talking about lives, we are talking about health issues, okay. As you know, that already we are being attacked left, right and center with all kinds of viruses, with all kinds of pandemics and all kinds of things. It's all because of these kind of negligence, okay, which we need to address as civilized citizens. Our government has to take this very seriously, because after all, the same food that is in this market, which is being sold in unhygienic conditions, are reaching our homes, and our children and our elders and our families are consuming it. So I would appeal to the government to please, you know, take this very seriously and give it a thought, you know, and let's have some training programs so that people know how to keep their areas clean. And there should be, okay, a monitoring system where you have people from the sanitation department going and checking whether the markets are clean, whether they are kept in a condition where people are allowed to sell, you know, to sell their items which are consumable items, which eventually reach our homes and our children. Okay, so this is my only appeal to the government. Please, I think, give it a thought. It will be worth, you know, there is nothing wrong in being educated about anything, even if it is hygiene. To our Chief Minister, a big request, okay, to please organize some kind of programs when it comes to educating our vendors how to keep their areas clean and how to keep our markets clean, so that we can be blessed, you know, with getting good food, good consumable items from our markets to our homes. Thank you, and God bless.